Hello friends, my name is Suraj and you're watching Dive into Tech. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you what is nested statements in JavaScript. Now, this is my another video of the JavaScript series. I've given down all the series of my videos. If you wish, you can still watch that. And guys, if you haven't watched other videos of my series, please do watch that because you won't be able to understand some major part of the nested statements because of that. Okay, so let's start the video. Now, for nested statements, first we need to create any variable. For example, where vowel is equal to, what do you say, a. Okay. Now switch, switch vowel. We would write case a document dot sorry document dot write. Yes, this is a vowel. Case b. Let me just copy and paste this so that it won't be much of a heavy task. Okay, case c, sorry, not c, I'll put here e. Case I, case o, case u, default. This is not a vowel. Now guys, what I've done here is I have created a variable vowel which is having a default value a, and you know that it is a vowel. So it would go to this case. If case matches a, then it will be printing out, okay, yes, this is a vowel. Else if the case is b, which is not a vowel, so I would just change it. No, this is not a vowel. And if any other cases like we enter f, we enter k, we enter z, so these are not the vowels, so it won't output vowel. Now I would explain this once again. This is the way in which we define a switch and the variable name, bracket open. Then we need to enter the cases and then the relevant output which we want to show after the switch case, after the case, or the relevant information, not information, the relevant coding which we would like to do after each case verifies. And guys, if any of the case in the series does not verify the condition, that is vowel, or does not matches to the this case, like sorry, like if the value entered is z, so it is not in the series. For z, it would go to the default value, that this one, and it would print document.write. This is not a vowel. So let me run and show you. Let's see what's the error which I have made, why it is not giving an output. So guys, let's check the error now. Well, I can see there are two error. First of all, the case statement is having a termination. Now, if you terminate here, that is, if you are using the semicolon, this one, then actually what you're doing is you are just completing a statement right down here. And if you're completing a statement here, which means that it won't go to this part. So you don't need to add a semicolon. Instead, you need to add a colon. I'll write colon. Now guys, I've added the colon. Now if I run this, it will show so many outputs. It will run this, it will run this, it will run this, it will run this. It will give all the statements as an output. Do you know why? Okay, first let me show you the output, then only you will realize. So you can see that I'm getting every output. It is because there is no break statement after each cases. It just continues and prints everything which is here. Okay, so I need to add some break statements. Break. If I copy this and then I run this. So you can see that now there's only one output, that is yes, this is a vowel. Now I'll try something, another variable. I'll just use sed. Okay, and now let's run now. This is not a vowel, which is printing the default part that this is not a vowel. Let's try B, because no, this is not a vowel should print. If I run here B, let's save it and run this. So you can see that no, this is not a vowel. So this is how you can create switch statements, guys. So that's all for this video, and stay updated for my later questions. Sorry, not later questions, later series. So thank you.